honey chipotle air fried chicken wings. This is it right here. I'm letting you know right now, and I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's not waste no time. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm beginning by drizzling a little bit of olive oil on top of our chicken wings, and we're just gonna rub that on in, and shortly you'll see a list of what we will be using to season up our chicken wings to perfection. You know, go ahead and get that all together, give it a nice little mix, and get that chicken well coated up. You know the motto on this channel, I ain't even gotta say, you already know what it is, you know what I'm saying? So we just gonna do our job and do what we do best. And season up this chicken oh so proper. All right, make sure you do that to both sides, and let me know down in the comments, is it drums or is it flats? Which one is it? I'm gonna let you know straight up, flats is the way to go when it comes to me. It's just something about them. Flats is where it's at. All right. So it's about time to get these bad boys up in our air fryer. All right, we're gonna go ahead and load them in. A little bit of a tip when it comes to air frying, you know, I mentioned this before, but you do not want to overlap your chicken. You don't want to put one chicken on top of the other chicken, because you're not gonna get that beautiful crispy crust that you're looking for, okay? And for this recipe, we are cooking them at 380 degrees for a total of 25 minutes. And this is the halfway point. About 12 and a half to 13 minutes in, we're gonna pull them out, we're gonna flip them over, and we're gonna put them right back in at 380 degrees for the remainder of the time. And you're gonna ask in the comments, yes, you absolutely can bake these. Yes, you could absolutely throw these in some grease and fry them up if you want to. It's all up to you. But for the purpose of this video, we will be air frying. So this is how you should be looking when they are done. You want to go ahead and pull them out and dump them into a bowl. So we go ahead and get that sauce together, dump it on top, and get these things sauced up. So here goes the star of the show, chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. Boy, these are dangerous, also dangerous, very spicy. So proceed with caution, guys. I'm trying to let you know. What I'm doing here, I'm actually removing some of the peppers and putting them to the side. You know what I mean? Because I want to control the heat and have as much heat as I want. You know what I mean? So go ahead and dump everything in there. I'm leaving about maybe 3 peppers in there total. And once the sauce is all blended up, I'm gonna give it a taste. If I feel like it needs a little bit more heat, I can always add more. I then added a little bit of soy sauce, we're adding ketchup, we're adding a little bit of garlic powder, you know what I'm saying? And of course, we're adding the honey as well. You wanna go ahead and blend that all up. Give it a taste. If you feel like you want a little bit more heat, go ahead and take one of those peppers that you put to the side and go ahead and get it in that blender and blend it up. That's the awesome part of proceeding with caution, because once you go too spicy, it's gonna be a whole lot of work bringing it on back. You're gonna have to add a whole lot more sweetness and a whole lot more this and that. Easier just to proceed with caution like I did. All right, once it's all blended up and you have it to the spice level that you want to rock with, go ahead and toss it right on top of your chicken, just like so. Do it in slow-mo and go ahead and give it a nice little shake just like this. All right, get everything well coated up. And if you want to take these to the next level, know what I'm saying, go ahead and toss them right back in the air fryer for another 2-3 minutes or so that sauce could kind of caramelize and get oh so sticky, ooey gooey. You know what I mean? That's if you want to. That's optional. You can go ahead and munch on them just like this. How beautiful do these look? Best believe they taste even better, guys. Honey chipotle chicken wings. Stop playing with me. I repeat, stop playing with me. Guys, these are so good, so flavorful, so amazing. And what's good about this, like I said, you control the heat as much as you want to. If you're looking for just a little hint of spice, you can achieve it with this recipe. If you want to go all out and be sweating while you're munching on these, you could do that as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you on the next one. Deuces.